Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Porsche Panamera Pcm 3.1 installed. This complete panel, you can see there are two screens. First, this is the driver side screen and the passenger screen, and both are connected with this PCM system. All original PCM functions like volume control, reverse camera, everything is working. The only thing that is not compatible with these screens or these kind of units is this navigation. This navigation is not working because it has no data here coming from the screen. So you can see this is only saying like latest navigation, destination, or these kind of functions are not working. But trip information like tire pressing system, everything will work. ACC will work, like turbo, temperature for like oil, water temperature, everything, date, everything will work. Cruise control, speed options, everything will work. Only this navigation that was on the previous head unit, that will not appear here. So in this screen we have, first of all, this is the app menu. If I go to the home menu, this home menu looks like this. I'm in the garage right now, that's why it's not showing the exact location or everything. So just you can see it's here, Mount Wagon. I have connected my mobile phone with the hotspot as well, or with the Apple CarPlay I have connected another mobile phone. First of all, I will go to the app menu. I will show you there are lots of applications that are pre-installed. You can install any kind of application you want. For example, we have navigation, music, Bluetooth, radio application, Bluetooth music, video. You can watch video from here like this. So if your passenger wants to watch this same video, you can just tap with two fingers and you can swipe this on the other screen. So here you can see the other screen has the video right now. You can put this back here, and here we have some other applications that are installed. You can download any other application as well that will be appear here. If I tap the CarPlay, my CarPlay is connecting here. I need to on my phone. So this is the CarPlay. My CarPlay is available here. If I put the CarPlay here or drag the CarPlay, so this is the CarPlay coming on the driver side. On the passenger side, it's free. You can tap the video here, so video will start from there. So you can watch video. Your kids, your family members can watch a video in front of them while sitting in the car for long journeys. It's a very good upgrade for the Porsche. It's exactly same Porsche that coming in the newer models like passenger display. In Mercedes it's coming right now. It's very popular right now in new cars as well. If we go to the home menu, we have some other applications, other things available here. You can see my CarPlay supported applications are here. Navigation I can use from here. Same time we can watch video while driving. We will go back. So here is the main interface of the screen. You can see we have some other applications: browser, system, DSP, instrument panel, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. My CarPlay is connected here, that I have shown you earlier. If you have an Android phone, you can connect your Android phone as well. We have gyroscope. Gyroscope is like a little bit function for like a compass or calibrated, you can say, measuring angles. Then we have weather information, weather app. We have voice search. We have APK installer, GPS, Play Store. From Play Store you can download any kind of application. Then we have this documents management. We have Topol Voice. We have Google. We have Yandex Navi, YouTube. We have like RZC protocols. Here you can, if you have ambient lights in your car, you can adjust the lights as well. We have maps here. So that's the original map, not the map that is coming from your mobile phone. So that's the home menu or home menu interface, and this is the app menu interface. So you can use both at the same time. You can use it here as well. So videos coming here, you can copy lots of video files from your USB. This screen supports 128 gigabytes of storage. We have one USB here to attach the USB directly. We have one SD card, SIM card slot. Sorry, the SD card is not available in the car. This is the SIM card slot to use the direct 4G SIM card connectivity. Screen supports the 4G signals right now. That's the screen. I can show you the back camera as well. So here my car is in the reverse, so here is showing the reverse camera. If your car is not equipped with the camera, you can install a very good, better quality camera than this one. The original one that time was not HD. If your car has the 360 system, 360 camera, you can connect a 360 camera original camera as well, or if you want to connect the aftermarket 360 camera, it's possible that one as well. So like when I'm putting the car in the reverse, so you can see it has all 360 functionality. So here you can see, but right now we have only the backup camera installed. The sensors are working. It will show the sensors as well. We will drive the car a little bit forward. So here you can see the sensors are working like this. We will reverse the car a little bit like that. On parking it will be like this. So here is the passenger side, driver side. You can turn this screen as well. Right now you can see it's completely disappeared in the panel, so no one can guess that if you have a screen over there. You can see even I have the light above me, but it's not visible. So here you can see we have only one screen. If I tap here, it will again start up. You can adjust the brightness as well. There are lots of settings you can do for the screen. General setting, gesture setting, system, other setting, general, internet, daytime, SIM card, Bluetooth, hotspot setting. Lots of settings available here. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. So I will provide the contact information. We have WhatsApp number, email is sale@tereteknik.se. We will ship you from the Europe if you are in European country, from Sweden. So that's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.